In this video, we'll cover adding insights to charts with annotations. Annotations can help make your charts more descriptive and help highlight to viewers where to really focus on. To add a chart annotation, just click on the chart and navigate to the main chart toolbar. To the right here, you'll see that we currently support 4 different types of chart annotations. First, the compounded annual growth rate, or the CAGR. Second, the value line. Third, the value jump. And fourth, a level difference. In this video, we'll cover the value jump and the CAGR. Let's go ahead and insert a value jump to get started. You'll see that by default, it inserts the value jump from the leftmost column to the rightmost, but you can always drag to move the anchor points. For example, maybe we want to change this one to start in 2023. We can do so like that. We can also move this one to whichever placeholder we like. Pro tip, if you double click on this arrow, it will reverse the direction, like so. Finally, you can always select the label to change the calculation type as well as the style and formatting. Here is where you change the calculation type. So for example, I could show a percentage, or I could even show both. This is also where you can, of course, make formatting changes, style, whatever you like. Let's go ahead and delete this one and take a look at the CAGR. We've now inserted a CAGR. One thing that's important to note is that Grunt by default will compute the CAGR using an index-based calculation. That means it will use the number of columns that you have in the chart to calculate it. However, a neat trick is that if Grunt can detect that you really have dates as your labels there, it will use the dates instead to compute it. So by clicking on the CAGR here, we'll see that it has in fact detected the dates, and so it's using a date-based calculation format. If it can't detect it, no problem. If you hover over the CAGR, it will tell you here that it's using an index-based calculation instead. So that's an intro to chart annotations. You know that there are 4 different chart annotations, and we've covered 2 of them today, but we encourage you to explore the others as well.